This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nicola Wakelin. A grand two-story foyer welcomes you into this desirable Mandalay with short walk to clubhouse and the privacy of a lovely, tranquil preserve view. Experience this dream floor plan with a space need to enjoy time together, yet room to retreat to your own private sanctuary. The open main living area flows perfectly for entertaining. Preferred first floor master suite is very spacious, with his and her walk-in closets and expansive spa-like bath. Additional first floor bed also makes a great den. Upstairs you will find a fantastic loft, laundry and 3 bedrooms, 2 of which are ensuite. No more fighting over the bathroom. Outside you will love the oversized screened lanai, lush landscaping and fully fenced backyard that has space for kids to play and dogs to run. Additional features include wood flooring in bedrooms, newer refrigerator, microwave and dishwasher, newer paint, crown molding, mudroom with built-in storage and 1-year warranty. Riverstone is located in North Naples, in an A-rated school district and offers a social, vacation-inspired lifestyle for all ages. Including fitness facilities, social hall, resort and lap pools, spa, 5 Har-Tru tennis courts, basketball and pickleball court, and tot lot. For more information, review the details below.